my dear students, myself Mrs. Anju Sharma, your moral science teacher. Welcome in today's class. So in this video is for class 5, subject moral science, topic revision of chapter 8, and the name of the chapter is I Love My Country. So students, as you know, we have studied all the chapters related to this annual term. Means we have finished our annual term syllabus and revision is going on. And today we are going to revise our chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is I Love My Country. As you know students, we live in a free India today. And you also know that our country got freedom on 15 August 1947. Before that, we were under the British rule. Under the leadership of many freedom fighters, through non-violence, we won freedom. Mahatma Gandhi was one such leader who fought against Britishers through non-violence. He always followed the path of peace and satyagraha. So, we have to remember all the leaders of our motherland who fought for freedom. So, many freedom fighters' names are given in this chapter. Mahatma Gandhi, the name of the freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Bhagat Singh. Some of the leaders who underwent a lot of suffering and difficulties for the motherland. We must love our motherland and consider all Indians as our brothers and sisters. We must be proud of the progress and achievements of our country and make sacrifices for our country. So, after this short description, I think all of you have understood this description because already we have studied this chapter. And in today's class, I wanted to discuss question answers along with you. So that's why I had given you the explanation in brief of this chapter. So now there are the question answers. So children, I would like to ask you to open your moral science book on page number 37. What topic is given here? Let's discuss. And in let's discuss, there is a question. What is that question? What we can do for our motherland if we become leaders? Clear to you? What we can do for our motherland if we become leaders? Children, you all know we should serve our motherland. So, what is the first question? First question is there. What we can do for our motherland if we become leaders. Leaders. So clear to you? So answer of this question is answer. We can serve our motherland and can provide food and what? Yes, shelter to everyone. I think this answer is clear to you. What can we do for our motherland if we become leaders? So answer is we can serve our motherland and can provide food and shelter to everyone. Clear to you, children? Now come to page number 40. Page number 40. First question is there. What weapons did Gandhiji use to win freedom for India? Yes, everyone knows, na? What? Yes. Two ways are there. Non-violence and satyagraha. Okay. So our second question is, what weapons did Gandhiji use to win freedom for India? So this question is also very easy. So how will it start? Answer. Gandhiji used non-violence and what is there? Yes, satyagraha. SATYAGRAHA. Satyagraha to win freedom for India. So this was the second question. Okay, non-violence. Gandhiji used non-violence and satyagraha to win freedom for India. Now next question is, so children, I think this is clear to you, these two questions. Yes, second question was, what weapons did Gandhiji use to win freedom for India? Gandhiji used non-violence and satyagraha to win freedom for India. So next question I am going to write. Third question is there. Write the name of some freedom fighter. Question number 3. Write the name of some freedom fighters. So this is very easy. All of you know, I think all you know the name of the freedom fighters. So we are going to write the name of the freedom fighter. First we can write Chandra Shekhar Azad. So all of you know the name of Chandrasekhar Azad. After that, very popular MAHATMA, Mahatma, GANDHI, Mahatma Gandhi. And third is, you can write Subhash Chandra Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose. 5 we have to write now. Number 4 is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. G-O-K-H-L-E. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. One more you write. Bhagat Singh. B-H-A-G-A-T. Bhagat Singh. So students, these are the name of the freedom fighter. First is Chandrasekhar Azad, second Mahatma Gandhi, third Subhash Chandra Bose, fourth Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and fifth is Bhagat Singh. Many more are there. You can write Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and all the many leaders are there. So these are the 5 which we have written here on the blackboard. So our next and last question is, what are the ways by which we can serve our motherland? Yes, children, I think all of you know. What are the 2 ways? Yes, what is first way? Love our motherland. First way is the love our motherland and consider all Indians as our brothers and sisters. Very easy 2 points are here. So next question is our next and last question of this chapter. So what is this? What are the ways by which we can serve our motherland? What are the ways by which we can serve our motherland? So students, you can write 2 ways. First way is love our motherland. Love our motherland. And second is consider all Indians as our what? Yes, brothers and sisters. Clear to you, children? So this way we have finished our question answers and a short explanation also I had given to you in the beginning of this chapter, and this chapter was also very common chapter and very easy chapter was there, and this way we have discussed our question answers also. So your homework is, now there is a time for your assignment. Number 1 is revise the chapter thoroughly. Revise the chapter thoroughly, write and learn all the question answers. Clear, children? So let us conclude our today's class. Bye children. Have a nice day.